If you have a garden or a flower bed, you're likely familiar with the term and stuff that is compost. Now, the Shafter-Wasco Landfill has a proposal that was just approved for a compost facility out here at the landfill.
The plan to develop a compost facility has been in place for 7 years, according to Public Works Manager Chuck McGee, and is a culmination of lots of effort.
Been collecting yard waste and tree trimmings and construction lumber now for 20 plus years, and this is just the final culmination of we've been working with it so long and working with other composters, both public and private, that we've gotten to the point where we understand exactly what needs to be done for each market, and we can tailor that material to each one, and this is all going to occur right at the Shafter landfill.
But why should you care? The project is estimated to cost $27 million, with the likelihood of a $10 million grant being given to Public Works to help fund the project, knocking the price tag down to $17 million. Now, that's better, but that's still a lot of money. In his proposal to the Board of Supervisors yesterday, McGee said it costs the county $7 million a year to have compostable material hauled off to other entities to get them to compost it. Do you see where I'm going with this? Per estimates cited by McGee in his proposal to the board, by building the compost facility, the county can expect to save $5 million a year, which in turn means lower costs for ratepayers in Kern County.
If we get the grant, it'll take us about 3.5 years to pay for this facility with the savings that we'll realize from doing it here and not having to pay to have it done somewhere else.
And looking forward to the future, once the compost facility is built, the benefits aren't just economic, but also based in sustainability.
This is one, you recycle that grass, you recycle those tree branches, you get it to us, you're going to have the ability to come back and pick up the material that you sent in a finished product that can actually benefit your house, your garden, your plants.
According to McGee, the plan has been sent out for bid. That should be back by early November, and they hope to be in the ground starting construction about 30 to 60 days after that. In Shafter, I'm Sam Boyle, your neighborhood reporter.